Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being. And to achieve all these goals, nutrition is a very important part. And if this is your first time over here, we provide authentic and fact based knowledge about nutrition, health, lifestyle, and wellness. Hi, my name is Aisha. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you do not miss on any of the notifications. It's easy to get confused when it comes to health and nutrition. Even qualified experts often seem to hold opposing opinions. In today's video, I will be telling you my 26 health tips. These tips are actually 100% true, evidence-based, and are actually based on good science. So let's get started. Don't drink sugar calories. Sugary drinks are among the most fattening items you can put into your body. This is because your brain does not measure calories from liquid sugar the same way it does for solid food. Sugary drinks are strongly associated with obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and many other problems. Eat nuts. Despite being high in fat, nuts are incredibly nutritious and healthy. They are loaded with magnesium, vitamin E, fiber, and various other nutrients. Studies demonstrate that nuts can help you lose weight and may help fight type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Avoid processed junk food. Eat real food instead. Processed junk food is incredibly unhealthy. They are usually low in fiber, protein, and micronutrients, but high in unhealthy ingredients like added sugar and refined grains. Thus, they provide mostly empty calories. Don't fear coffee. Coffee is very healthy. It's high in antioxidants, and studies have linked coffee intake to longevity and reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Eat fatty fish. Fish is a great source of high-quality protein and healthy fat. This is particularly true of fatty fish such as salmon, which is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and various other nutrients. Studies show that people who eat most fish have a lower risk of several conditions including heart disease, dementia, and depression. Get enough sleep. The importance of getting enough quality sleep cannot be overstated. Poor sleep can drive insulin resistance, disrupt your appetite hormones, and reduce your physical and mental performance. What's more, poor sleep is one of the strongest individual risk factors for weight gain and obesity. Take care of your gut health with probiotics and fiber. The bacteria in your gut, collectively called the gut microbiota, are incredibly important for overall health. A disruption in gut bacteria is linked in some of the world's most serious chronic diseases, including obesity. Good ways to improve gut health include eating probiotic food like yogurt and eating plenty of fiber. Drink some water, especially before meals. Drinking enough water can have numerous benefits. Surprisingly, it can boost the number of calories you burn. The optimal time to drink it is before the meals. One study showed that downing 2.1 cups, that is 500 ml of water 30 minutes before each meal increased weight loss by 44%. Don't overcook or burn your meat. Meat can be nutritious and healthy part of your diet. It's very high in protein and contains various important nutrients. However, problems occur when meat is overcooked or burnt. This can lead to formation of harmful compounds that raise your risk of cancer. When you cook meat, make sure not to overcook or burn it. Avoid bright lights before sleep. When you are exposed to bright lights in the evening, it may disrupt your production of the sleep hormone melatonin. Take vitamin D3 if you don't get much sun exposure. Sunlight is a great source of vitamin D, yet most people don't get enough sun exposure. Their benefits include improved bone health, increased strength, reduced symptoms of depression, and a lower risk of cancer. Vitamin D may also help you live longer. Eat vegetables and fruits. Vegetables and fruits are loaded with prebiotic fiber, vitamins, minerals, and many antioxidants, some of which have potential biological effects. Studies show that people who eat the most vegetables and fruits live longer and have a lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and other illnesses. Make sure to eat enough protein. Eating enough protein is vital for optimal health. What's more, this nutrient is particularly important for weight loss. High protein intake can increase your metabolism significantly while making you feel full enough to automatically eat fewer calories. It can also reduce cravings and your desire to snack late at night. Do some cardios. Doing aerobic exercise, also called cardio, is one of the best things you can do for your mental and physical health. It's particularly effective at reducing belly fat, the harmful type of fat that built up around your organs. Reduced belly fat should lead to major improvement in metabolic health. Use extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest vegetable oils. It is loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants that can fight inflammation. Extra virgin olive oil benefits heart health as people who consume it have a much lower risk of dying from heart attacks and stroke. Minimize your sugar intake. Added sugar is one of the worst ingredients in the modern diet, as large amount can harm your metabolic health. High sugar intake is linked to numerous ailments, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and many forms of cancer. That's all from my side. Stay healthy, stay blessed, stay nourished.
Thank you for watching.